In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Prime. This video is currently unavailable 2025. This message usually points to a simple issue you can fix at home, so follow along in order and test after each step. Start with your internet connection. Make sure your device is online and that streaming isn't being slowed by other downloads or devices on the network. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try another network to compare. Run a quick speed test. Prime Video typically needs around 5 Mbps for HD and more for 4K. If speeds are low or unstable, reboot your router and modem, then try again. Next, update the Prime Video app. Outdated apps can break playback. Open your device's app store, search for Prime Video, and install any available updates. On smart TVs and streaming sticks, check the system's app update section as well. If you're watching in a browser, update the browser to the latest version too. If the error persists, sign out of Prime Video and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve account or license handshake hiccups. After you sign back in, retry the same title. Now confirm region restrictions. Some titles are licensed only in certain countries, and the app will show this error if your region doesn't match the content's availability. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or smart DNS, turn it off and restart the app so Prime Video can detect your true region. Clear the app's cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files. On Android or Fire TV, go to the app settings, clear cache first, then data if needed. Note that clearing data will log you out and remove downloads, so you'll have to sign in again. On iOS, offloading and reinstalling the app serves the same purpose. In a web browser, clear site data for primevideo.com or all cookies, then sign in again. Give your device a full restart. Power it off completely, then turn it back on. For TVs and streaming boxes, unplug them for about 30 seconds to fully reset the hardware before plugging back in. Check Amazon server status. If Prime Video is experiencing an outage, there's nothing to fix on your end. Look for service updates on official status pages or reputable outage trackers and try again later. If none of these worked, contact Amazon support. Share the exact error message, the title you're trying to watch, your device and app version, and what you've already tried. That helps them pinpoint account, licensing, or device-specific issues quickly.